Hi my dear students, welcome to Students Reference. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe the channel and click the bell icon to get notifications for the upcoming videos. Today we are going to discuss about 2016 Set B NSO question paper for class 3 students. I have already uploaded some other IEO, NSO and IMO question papers for class 3 students. You please go to the playlist in Students Reference and click Olympiad class 3 to get these question papers. First, I will show you the full question paper. You try to solve it on your own. After reading the questions, you pause the video and take your own time to answer the questions. I will attach the answer key at the end of this video. First topic is logical reasoning. 1. Choose the monkey that does not belong to the group. You look at the given pictures carefully and try to find out the answer. So to find the answer, first we have to find the relationship between the letters in each figure. If we check option A, the first letter is C. So we have to skip the next letter D, then we have to write E. And next we have to skip one letter, next we write the letter G. Okay. And in B, they have skipped one letter G between F and H. Likewise, skipped one letter I between H and J. And in C also, they have skipped the letter P between O and Q. And they have skipped one letter R between Q and S. But in option D, they have skipped two letters W, X between V and Y. And there is no letter between Y and Z. So, D is the odd one out. 2. If this and this, then this is equal to what? You look at the given picture carefully and try to find out the answer. And here we have to find out this figure. And in which balance this figure is given? In this balance. So, in this balance, we have to separate this figure. So, to separate this, we have to remove these three hearts. So, if we remove these three hearts in this means, we have to remove the same number of hearts in this side also. Okay. So, now this figure is equal to these two heads and these two hearts. But our answers are given in terms of green hearts only. So we have to find the value of this one in terms of green heart. And this one is equal to 3 hearts. So here two pictures are given. So this figure is equal to 2 into this 3 heart. 2 3s are 6. So these two is equal to 6 hearts. 6, 7, 8. So this one is equal to 8 hearts. So our answer is B, 8 hearts. 3. Total number of sleeping and slanting lines in the given figure is dash. You look at the given picture carefully and try to find out the answer. So to find the answer, first I am going to count the sleeping lines. I got 11 sleeping lines. Now I am going to count the slanting lines. I got 4 slanting lines. Now we have to add these two values. 11 plus 4 is 15. So our answer is A, 15. 4. Find the mirror image of the given figure if mirror is placed along MN. This is the given figure. You try to find out the answer. We know in any mirror image, the left and right sides are interchanged. So the correct answer is B. In option A, the letter L is given as it is. So this is wrong. And here the letters are inverted, and here also the letters are inverted. So these two also wrong. 5. Find the missing shapes P and Q respectively to complete the given grid. You look at the given grid carefully and try to find out the answer. The given grid has 3 columns, 1, 2, 3. Column 1 has 3 shapes with same color. Okay, we have to follow this rule for other 2 columns. The shapes in column 2 have red color. So P is a red color shape. And here the first answer is P, second answer is Q. So the first answer is red color. So D has first answer red color. The other 3 options are wrong. So D is the correct answer. In column 3, the 2 shapes are shaded. So Q also a shaded one. So Q is a shaded shape. So the correct answer is D. Next topic is science. 6. Different animals eat up their food in different ways. Find the odd animal among the following based on how it eats up its food. You look at the given pictures carefully and try to find out the answer. The odd one out is C, frog. Here, rat, squirrel and rabbit are called as gnawing animals. Frog is not a gnawing animal. 7. The given figure shows 2 gases X and Y that are used by the plants and animals during daytime. Which of these can be X and Y? You look at the given picture carefully and try to find out the answer. In the given picture, X is given by plants and it is taken by animals. Which one is taken by animals during breathing? Oxygen. So the answer may be B or C. And Y is given by animals and it is taken by plants. Which one is taken by plants during daytime? Carbon dioxide. So the answer is C. B is wrong. 8. Refer to the given figure and select the correct option. Look at the given picture carefully. It is a bird's nest made by weaving dried grass and twigs together. It is a skin cast off by a snake. It is a kind of web made by some spider. None of these. The correct answer is A. 9. Broccoli is a modified edible form of part X of a plant. If part X would not be there, a plant cannot dash. You read the given 4 options and try to find out the answer. Broccoli is a modified edible form of flower. So, if flower would not be there, a plant cannot absorb water from soil. This is wrong. Make its own food. This also wrong. Produce seeds. That means a plant cannot produce seeds. This is the correct one. Because flowers are converted into fruits. So if there is no flowers means there is no fruits. No fruits means there is no seeds. 10. Given below are different end products of a single process in water cycle except one. Select this odd one out. You read the given 4 options and try to find out the answer. Water vapor, raindrops, snow, hailstorm. Which is the odd one out? A. Water vapor is the odd one out. Because formation of water vapor is a evaporation process. But the formation of other three are precipitation process. 11. Study the given setup. How will the shadow look like on screen? You look at the given picture carefully and try to find out the answer. So the correct answer is C. This is the shadow of the book. Here book is opaque. That means it doesn't allow any light to pass through it. So it forms the shadow of the book on the screen. 12. Strike out every alternate letter starting from the second one in the given unscrambled word to find out the animal cry. Now select the animal who produces this sound. Try to find out the answer. So to find out the answer, we have to strike out the alternate letter from the second one. So we have to start from here. Okay. Now we get neigh. Neigh is the sound of horse. So D is our answer. 13. The above figure show the force required to move a 100-gram object over different surfaces W, X, Y and Z. The friction is greatest at dash. You look at the given four pictures carefully and try to find out the answer. Friction question is a repeatedly asked question. So to find the answer, first we have to note down the forces given by all the four surfaces. W is 60, X is 50, Y is 30 and Z is 20. We know there is a direct relationship between the force and friction. That means if force high means friction also high. Force low means friction also low. And here surface W has greatest force value, that is equal to 60. So our answer is surface W. A is our answer. 14. Dash has a broad and short beak which is sticky on the inside. It moves round and round in the air with its beak open. Hence, tiny flying insects stick inside the beak. You look at the given four pictures and try to find out the answer. The correct answer is D. This is a swallow bird. 15. The given figure shows various sense organs. Match the sense organs with the activities listed below and select the correct option. You read the given 5 statements and look at the picture carefully. Then try to find out the answer. So to find the answer, we will read the statements one by one. Tasting an ice cream. So for one, the sense organ is tongue, G. So 1 is G. Which option has 1G? Option B. The other three options are wrong. So the correct answer is B. 16. Select the incorrect eating habit from the following. We should drink water after every bite. We should take heavy breakfast. We should never skip breakfast. We should chew our food properly. We have to select the incorrect one. So the incorrect one is A. We should drink water after every bite. 17. Richa was spinning a top. She wondered if the earth is compared to the top, then dash of the earth can be compared to X. Select the correct option to fill up the blank. Look at the given picture. Read the given four options, then find the answer. And this is X. So the correct answer is C, axis. 18. Isha wanted to find if material X would allow water to pass through. She put the material over a container and poured some water onto it as shown in the given diagram. She found that no water was collected in the container. What material would X be? Look at the given picture. This is the material, this is the container. Cloth, paper, glass, cardboard. So the correct answer is C, glass. Glass does not allow water to pass through it. 19. Our winter clothes are made with the material obtained from dash. You look at the given four options and try to find out the answer. The correct answer is B, sheep. Direction. Read the given paragraph and answer the questions 20 and 21. Two scientists, Jay and Ruhi, are working in two different areas of Earth for the last 2 years. Jay is working in the polar region, while Ruhi is working in a desert region. 20. Select the correct match of any one of them with his or her appropriate clothing. Jay fur coat, Ruhi leather jacket, Jay cotton shirt, Ruhi raincoat. Which one is the correct answer? A. Jay fur coat, because Jay is working in the polar region. 21. Which of the following would be the house where Jay is currently living in? You look at the given four options and try to find out the answer. Which one is correct? C. Igloo. 22. My friend told me the exciting story of his Easter egg hunt this year. He probably belongs to a religion whose main festival is dash. Christmas, Baisakhi, Holi, Eid ul Fitr. The correct answer is A. Christmas. 23. Select the correct option to fill the empty boxes of the given flow chart. We eat the stem of, one is ginger, we have to find the other two. The options are turnip and radish, sugarcane and carrot, turnip and spinach, potato and sugarcane. The correct answer is D, potato and sugarcane. These two are also examples of stem foods. 24. Select the pair that has two similar kinds of activity, either indoor or outdoor. Read the given four options and try to find out the answer. We will check the options one by one. Ludo, cricket. Ludo is indoor game and cricket is outdoor game. So this is wrong. Volleyball, chess. Volleyball is outdoor, chess is indoor game. So this is wrong. Carom, snakes and ladders. These two are indoor games. So this is the correct answer. Both B and C also wrong. 25. Refer to what the persons shown here are saying. Person X. Hi, if you need some notebooks, come to me. Person Y. Hi, I can make a beautiful birthday cake for you. Who are X and Y respectively? Read the given four options and try to find out the answer. First, we will find the answer for person X. If you need some notebooks, come to me. So he is a stationer. So the answer is C. In other options, stationer is not given. So other three options are wrong. And person Y is, I can make a beautiful birthday cake for you. So she is a baker. So answer C is correct. 26. Four of Mr. Singh's pupils made a statement, each about the leaves of a plant. Which of the pupils was or were correct? You read the given four statements carefully, then try to find out the answer. So to find the answer, we will read the given four statements one by one. Anu, the leaves make food. This is a correct one. The leaves produce oxygen. This also correct. The leaves have tiny openings. This also correct. The leaves hold plant firmly in the soil. This is wrong. So the answer is D. 27. Neetu cannot see anything after an accident. However, the doctor says that her eyes are perfectly alright. It means that there can be a problem in a part of her dash. Unscramble the given letters to find out the name of the organ to be filled in the blank and select the correct option. First, you unscramble all the given 4 options, then try to find out the correct answer. So to find the answer, first we will unscramble the 4 options. If we unscramble, we get bones, brain, liver, pancreas. So the correct answer is B. 28. Nilesh is standing on a road sign. The signal shown here is turned on. Nilesh should dash. Look at the given picture carefully. Wait for the vehicles to move ahead. Look first to his left, then to his right, and then turn left. Cross the road using zebra crossing. Look for a subway nearby. The correct answer is C. Cross the road using zebra crossing. 29. Refer to the given figure showing different types of birds' feet and answer the questions that follow. 1. Which of these bird feet is suitable for climbing and clinging to the bark of trees? 2. Which of these bird feet has talons? You look at the given pictures carefully and try to find out the answer. First, I am going to find the answer for the second question. Which of these bird feet has talons? Which one? F. So the second answer is F. So these 3 are wrong. A, B, C are wrong. So the correct answer is D. 30. The road sign shown here indicates that dash. You look at the road sign carefully. There is no road ahead. One should take a left turn. A left turn is not allowed here. One should not blow horn here. The correct answer is C. A left turn is not allowed here. This is the left turn and it is crossed. Okay. Next topic is Achiever section 31. Carefully observe the given flow chart showing relationship of 4 different organ systems P, Q, R and S. Identify them and select the correct option. P, Q, R, S. Takes oxygen from air and gives to R. Gives simplified nutrients to R. Provides oxygen and nutrients. You read the given 4 options and try to find out the answer. First, I am going to check this organ system P. It controls other 3 systems from P to Q controls, from P to R controls, from P to S controls. Which system controls all other systems? Nervous system. So P is nervous system. Option A has P, nervous system, and option D, P has muscular system. So D is wrong. In other 2 options, P is not given. Okay. So the answer may be A, B or C. Now I am going to check the other answer for option A. R is given as excretory system. And here from R to all body parts provides oxygen and nutrients. That means R provides oxygen and nutrients to all body parts. So R is not a excretory system. So this is a wrong answer. R is a circulatory system. Now I am going to check option B. Q. Q takes oxygen from air and gives to R. And Q is given as respiratory system. Yes, this is a respiratory system because it takes oxygen from air and gives to R. This one is correct. Yes, digestive system. Yes, gives simplified nutrients to R. So this also correct. Digestive system gives simplified nutrients to R means circulatory system. That means blood. Okay. So B is the correct answer. 32. Refer to the given word grid and select the animal which is not hidden in it. You read the given four options and try to find out the answer. To find the answer, we will check the options one by one. An animal who chews the cud. It is cow. Cow is given in the grid. So this is not the answer. An animal that swallows its food whole. And this is snake. Snake is given in the option. So this is not the answer. An animal that sucks its food. It may be butterfly, moth, bees or mosquitoes. This is not given in the grid. So this may be the answer. We will check option D also. An animal that knows its food. Rat is given. This is the answer for D. So this also given. So D is also not the answer. So C is not given in the grid. So C is our answer. 33. Mahler set up an experiment as shown here. A bright patch of light was seen on the screen. What would be the material of sheets P, Q and R? You look at the given picture carefully and read the given four options, then try to find out the answer. When will we get bright patch of light on the screen? The three materials should be a transparent one. Then only we get the bright light on the screen. So the correct answer is B. Glass, clear, cellophane. These three are the transparent materials. These three allow light to pass through it. So we can get a bright patch of light on the screen. 34. The force required to make a plastic ball move for a distance of 4 meters on 3 different surfaces of equal area is shown in the graph. Arrange these surfaces in ascending order of friction which they offer to a moving object. You look at the given graph carefully and try to find out the answer. We know there is a direct relationship between force and friction. That means friction high means force also high. Friction low means force also low. So in this graph, Y has the highest friction. Next highest friction is Z. Next highest friction is X. But here our question is we have to arrange the friction in ascending order. Ascending order means smallest to biggest. So smallest friction is X. Then Z, then Y. So our answer is B. X, Z, Y. X less than, Z less than Y. 35. The different shapes of the moon are shown in the given figures. Identify the shape of the moon when the moon is between the earth and sun. The side of the moon facing the earth is fully illuminated by the sun. Try to find out the answer from the given four options. First, I am going to find the answer for the second question. The side of the moon facing the earth is fully illuminated by the sun. So, it's a full moon. So, the answer for 2 is full moon. So, this is the correct answer. So, A is the correct answer. So my dear students, today we have completed 2016 Set B NSO question paper for class 3 students. If you have any doubts, you please write it in the comment box. If you like this video, please like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.